So you really want to first practice it as 8 and walk, 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 walk. Once you got that down, you can add that little wobble. Make sure that it's not twisty, so you don't go like this or like this. Those are different moves. You really want to keep your hip points forward. And then we just took some of the moves we learned this month and we combine them. And at this point, we try to combine moves that start on even or on odd beat and see what those transitions look like. The secret is really like you need to be ready, you need to make a decision in those 7, 8 if you are actually taking 8 at a time to do the move. Those are the important ones. So for example, you can do 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You tried all the different combinations. Keep practicing that because that's really what you need to get better at it. And bye.